Good morning mga kausok! Nandito na naman po tayo sa ating workshop. This is our March class. We limit the attendees to just 8 or maximum of 10. Tayo ay magsasalang ng pork ribs, full length, no? From trimming to serving. Nandito sila para matuto paano mag-manage ng fire, salang ng karne, at lahat po ng in-between process ng ating smoke barbecue. A day full of learning. Looking forward for your harvest this afternoon. So nasa kalagitnaan na kami ng pag-smoke from trimming, kuha kami ng dry rub, play namin sa meat, then sinalang namin. So we're 3 hours in, no, sa ating pork ribs. So we're just waiting for probably an hour and a half or 2 more, depende sa consistency ng pag-poke natin mamaya later sa meat. So we'll see kung ano yung magiging output natin later. Okay? Thank you very much and stay tuned. So that's a wrap mga kausok. Today, nag-start tayo about 7:45. Natapos tayo about 3:30 in the afternoon. Ganda lahat ng output nila, ang ganda ng salang nila. Very good yung naging harvest natin. If you're looking for a barbecue class, you can wait for the announcement on our page on Facebook and Instagram, or even on our YouTube channel. No? And then, kung wala pa kaming class, we also do barbecue class on demand. So you just have to message us and then we can book a class with one of our pit master. Sila po pupunta sa inyo or pwede rin kayong pumunta dito sa ating barbecue spot. Once again, thank you for following our page, subscribing to our channel. Malaking bagay po sa amin in making videos like this. Thank you very much and smoke on!